Hi, it's Sunday morning, it's very still. Thought I'd share something that's been running through my mind for the last few days about adaptation and the amount of energy that's used to do something new, and the difficulties that come with doing something differently or doing something new, but also the opportunities, but how we need to go about managing that. So I'm doing online physio. I never thought I would be doing physiotherapy in that way. Probably none of us did. Spent 30 years using my hands. Um, Obviously, we have other skills. We trained with lots and lots of things, and I've been pulling on memories, thoughts, learning from 30 years over the last 30 years, right back from my training, hospital days, not, quite apart from any ongoing professional development. I've been pulling on my life experiences of my own personal injuries and living with chronic pain for 10 years and resolving that, and the mental anguish that goes with that, and helping people right now that are struggling in pain using all sorts of techniques, movement therapies, my experience as a martial artist and Zen student. But what I've noticed is when we come out of our comfort zone, how exhausting it can be, just to pull on the memory banks of information. It's exciting, and I'm growing in a way so fast as I'm pulling strands together, and I'm sure all of us are learning something new, either how to cope or we're learning new skills at this time. And as we go forwards, the world is going to be in some way different. Our work is going to be different. Our lives are going to be a little bit different, maybe at least in the short term. Who knows for how long? And just, it's exciting to learn something new, and the creative spirit, if we get beyond the fear, really feeds off learning and creative experimentation. But I do think that we need to recognize that it is actually very draining at the same time. There's requires a lot more brain energy and body energy, and so just wanted to share this thought with you and just say to everybody, just take the time and recognize that you may need more stillness in your life, even though you might actually be, some are working harder than ever like me, and some are working less, but it's still mental adaptation time. So just take the time to allow yourself, grant yourself, and feel no guilt for granting yourself the time to still and just be. And then I think you'll be more productive in the thinking. And enjoy the thinking, enjoy the creativeness, enjoy the challenge of learning something new. I don't know how to do this. None of us had even heard of Zoom probably 3-4 weeks ago. I'd never done anything online, and not to mention learning how to do things digitally, and pulling on bringing things together to create new treatment programs and exercises and movement strategies and movement therapy and emotional therapy. Just everybody in their own arena will be doing the same thing, I'm sure. So just allow yourself the time to enjoy the stillness, the birds, just to stop thinking, to give your brain some space and give yourself a brain break. Anyway, hope that makes some sense. Enjoy your Sunday.